today we're making some chocolate marshmallow brownies. So you're gonna need 1 box of brownie mix, half a cup of oil, you're gonna need 2 eggs, and you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of water, and 3 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna mix it all together. Make sure you scrape all the sides and get all of them. So now you're gonna need a 9x10 baking sheet, and make sure you grease it. 9x10. Mine is already greased, and we're just gonna pour our mixture into our bowl, into our pan. Just combine everything together. Now we have everything in the pan. We got our brownie mix in there. So now we spread it out evenly. So now we're gonna drop in some marshmallows on top. Oh, the bag and bowl ain't big enough. You just let them on top. I say about a cup of them. They look like this. So now we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, you guys. Let's put them in the oven. So there we have it, you guys. Some more brownies. Look at that. Brown. Nice and brown on top. It's too hot for me to cut a piece to show you, but they're so delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a God bless day.